Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you all how to make Play-Doh. Here is the recipe. Before we start to make our Play-Doh, I thought you guys would like to say hi to our school pet and our good friend Chester. He's living at home with me right now and he's very happy. Hi Chester. He still loves his snacks. Hey Chester. All right, Chester, bye. Are you guys ready to make Play-Doh? Make sure you have all your ingredients. Flour, oil, 2 cups of water, salt, cream of tartar, 1 cup, 1 tablespoon, a bowl, and a mixer. All right, we're gonna get started. First, we need 2 cups of flour. Parents, you can pour this into this cup for the kids. And then their job is to pour it into the bowl. There's 1. 2. Their job is to pour it into the bowl and stir while you're getting the other ingredients ready to pour in there. Then we need 1 cup of salt. One cup of salt. Pour that in there. Stir. Then we need 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. I always explain to the kids that the cream of tartar is the most special ingredient, because if you didn't have this in there, the Play-Doh would fall apart. This ingredient holds the Play-Doh all together. 1, 2. Then you need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Stir it up really well, and when you're stirring, try to get as many of those clumps out as you can. Makes that Play-Doh nice and silky. So when you pour the water in, pour it in really slow. Get all those clumps out as you're pouring. I'm gonna stir that up really, really well till it's all mixed. There's very, very little clumps left in there, and it's gonna be pretty liquidy. This is the way we stir the Play-Doh, stir the Play-Doh, stir the Play-Doh. This is the way we stir the Play-Doh, making Play-Doh at home. Because I pour the water in there so slowly, there are very little clumps in here right now. So you'll see, you want it to be pretty liquidy so that it's ready to cook on the stove. So you're also going to need a pan, a non-stick pan if you have one. And turn it up to low, medium. I do put a dab of oil in there and heat that up so that the mixture doesn't stick to the pan. And then once it's cooking on the pan, you're just gonna stir and stir and stir. And sometimes it takes 5 to 10 minutes before it all starts binding together and turning more into a solid. All right, so I have been stirring this Play-Doh now for about 10 minutes, and I realized that I had to turn that heat up. So now it's on medium high. Just make sure the kids are watching from a few feet back and see how that Play-Doh is really starting to stick together. I also added about 20-25 drops of whatever food coloring you like. Don't wear your nicest clothes because it does stain. See how it's all stuck together? I'm going to turn the stove off and put some flour on my hands. And this part's going to be really hot. So make sure the kids are back there. And you're going to peel it off of the spoon. And you're going to start kneading that Play-Doh. All right, you have your mound of Play-Doh, and you need to continue to knead it for a little while so all those clumps are out. So I'm going to tell you a little story while I'm kneading this Play-Doh. Once there was a butterfly. That butterfly hatched an egg. That egg hatched and turned into a baby caterpillar. That baby caterpillar was hungry, so it decided to eat some food. Didn't make the best choices in selecting his food. He decided to eat some cupcakes, some chocolate, some lollipops. He had some sausage, some cheese. And what was happening to him? He's getting fatter. He ate some cake. Oh, and he was getting so fat, his belly was hurting. He wasn't a little caterpillar anymore, was he? He was a big, fat caterpillar. So he took a little nap. He took a nap inside his cocoon. It was like his sleeping bag. He stayed in there for about 2 weeks. While he was in there, these amazing things started happening. It started changing. This process did take a while. It took about 14 sleeps for him to change into this new being. Was he gonna be a lion? Is that what he was gonna change into? Was he gonna change into a unicorn? Maybe. Was he gonna change into a tiger or a bear? Or was he gonna change into a dolphin? Nobody knows. But this process took a while. And all his friends on the outside, they waited till he was ready to present his new self to the world as a new being. And one day he was ready, so he inched his way out of that cocoon. He wasn't caterpillar anymore. Oh no. He was a beautiful green butterfly. Thanks for hanging out for my Play-Doh making session. Hope everyone stays well and healthy.